So welcome to Data Science Python Library channel. So we are discussing here Numpy. In previous session, we have already discussed about how you can import the Numpy, how you can check the shape of the array, how you can find out the size of the array, data types, and so on. Today we are discussing about the reshaping and other operations. That as array 8 we have already formed. Then we have just print the array 8. After that, size of the array 8 8. We can change the array 8 resize. Say array 8 size is that 2, 3 is there. Now we can change these size. We can resave this array 8. Three elements in the array. 1, 2, 3, and 2 part is that. So we can change these 3 to 3. So that we have changed. What we are changing here, basically we are just previously array form, that is 233 size is that is a zeroth as well as that is a first. In zeroth, 3 elements are that is again they are indexing with zeroth, first, and second is that same. So 2 that is showing zeroth as well as 1. Again these 3 is showing that every part they have the zeroth, first, and second index is there. And every element in every index there is a 3 elements like this. This first element is that if we are talking about zeroth, again second element and third element. Now we are changing the size, that is a shape, reshaping the array with 332. This first 3 part they are showing that that is zeroth indexing as well as first indexing and second indexing is that. So we can again checking these 3. So these 3 is showing that in every index 3 is indexing are 0, first, and second is that. And again 2 is saying that in every index 2 elements are that, first element and second elements. Similarly, first element of first indexing, second element of first indexing in zeroth. So that are the reshaping of the array. Sometimes we have required the reshaping of the array as per the requirements. Now we go creating the new array 10, that is numpy array, that is 2, 5, 9. That array, another array we have created array 11, that is numpy dot array 10, 33, 34. Now we have already formed 2 arrays. Now we can just joining the array. So how we can join the basic array? We just put up the commands. numpy dot get array 10 and array 11. That 12 we have. So concurrent we have. So that we have assigned somewhere. Suppose that we have assigned join array. That equal. Now we can print this part basically. So joining array, when we are printing, they are 10 and 11 some. So that we have just join them. Join array we have provided. So numpy and 10 and array 10 as well as integer scalars array can be converted to a scalar index. That is the array error they are showing. So that are the type of mission. That's why they are showing this. Okay. Now, regarding converted to the scalar index. If that is not working, we directly do the adding the array. So print add numpy dot add array 10 as well as array 11. Okay, so how they are adding? So 2 plus 12, that becomes the 14. Similarly, 5 plus 23, that becomes the 28. Similarly, 9 plus 34, that becomes the 43. So here we are adding the two arrays. Similarly, we can apply other operations like we can apply subtraction. We dot subtract two array 10 and array 11. Typo mistake, that is an array 11. Okay. So when we are subtracting 2 minus 12, that is showing minus 10 is there. Similarly, 5 minus 23, that is a minus 18. If the same operations we are doing from array 11 to array 10, that values are in positive. I just showed you that are np dot subtract from array 11 to array 10. Values are positive because 12 minus 2, that is the 10, as well as 23 minus 5, that is 18, and 34 minus 9, that is a 25. So that similarly we can apply the multiplications of the array. Print numpy dot multiply of array 10 with array 11. So they are showing that 2 minus array 10, that is where is my pointer, 2 first element and second the 0th element, and array 11 0th element is 12. So 2 multiplied by 12, that is a 24. Similarly, array 10 first element is a 5 and array 11 first element is a 23. So 23 multiplied by 5, that becomes a 115 is there. And array 10, that is the second element of array 10, that is a 9, and second element of array 11, that is a 34. So 9 multiplied by 34, that becomes the 306. So that operations we can do. Similarly, we can do that on the basic arithmetic operations. Divide options. Numpy dot divide of array 10 as well as array 11. We have just checked that array 10, that is a 2 divided by 12, some value. Similarly, 5 divided by 23, that is 0.2173913 is there. Similarly, 9 divided by 34, that is 0.2647058. So that are the division. If we have do reversible, that means some values we have received, like numpy dot divide array 11 with array 10. Values are 12 divided by 2, that means 6. Similarly, other values 23 divided by 5, 4.6 is there. 32, 4 divided by 9, 3 point something is there. So that is the basic operations in NumPy we have to. Similarly, we can sorting, we can perform the sorting of array. If we are talking about the sorting operations, then we can do the sorting operations. Print numpy dot sort of array 11. That is by default sorted. Suppose that we have created new array 12 is there. Numpy dot array, that is 1, 6, 3, 4, 67, 89, 34, 2. Now we just sort them in some ascending order is that. So numpy sort the array 12. Output there we have seen that output the elements with values are in the array 12, that is in ascending order 1, 4, 6, 22, 23, 30, 34, 67 and 80, which they have just arranged in some order. Again, we can perform the arrange operations of these. How we can perform the arrange operations? So np dot arrange 1, 43. So we are just printing the values. Arrangements. So from 1 to 40, they are arranging with intervals of the 3. Here what they are doing? They are doing that 1 to 40, they are arranging with intervals of the 3. Means 1, after that 3 intervals, 4 is there, again 3 intervals, 7. Similarly 10, 13, 16 and so on is there. So that are the arrange operations we have do. Similarly, we can perform the arrange operations for np dot arrange with some range. That is, suppose that we are providing 34. So they are arranging the values from 34. That is the range we have provided from 0 to 30. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But here we did not provided the any intervals are that. So that are the arranging. So today we discussed about how you can arrange that values with some orders are that, how you can sort the values, how you can divide basic arithmetic operations and so on. Class.